everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So this is Reneth at your service. But anyway guys, so for today's video, we will gonna unwrap my nail dryer. So we just bought this one a few weeks ago, but it took a long time for me to unwrap this one or unbox this one because I've been busy for the past few days. So here it is, our package from 24 shop.dk. So it's this shop, guys, or it's this package. So we will gonna unwrap this one, guys, and stay tuned. So without further ado, let's start this unwrapping, guys. So here we have the charger, and then next one we have, it's this. So this is my nail dryer. So here it is. So there's a 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 99 seconds. So here there's an LED light here. So that's it. And we got our manual. So here it goes. So yeah, and then we're just gonna read. It's 36 watts LED UV lamp, and then enlightened timing, not to hurt the eye, no black hand, UV LED, 36 watt power. And let's gonna features 36 watt dual light source, features sunshine nails, comfortable eye contact, relieved of burning sensation. Number 2, double light source, 365 plus 405 nm LEDs to cure UV Gle builders LED gel. 12 pieces strategical placed LED, no dead zone, more free, 50,000 hours lifetime. Methods: plug in, power supply, touch, regular button according to the baking adhesive time. After nail polish, put your hands into the nail lamp lights, light up automatically. Press the set time button, automatically light out the light when you leave. So that's it. It's made in China, everyone. So this is our LED lamp nail dryer, guys. So ta-da! That's all.